Welcome to Meet the Teacher for the summer term. So first of all, we just want to say thank you so much for all the hard work that you did during the lockdown. It was so fantastic to see all of your work, and we are so proud of you and so happy to have you back. So let's start off with this.
So let's look at our daily routines for reception. All the year groups come in at staggered times during the day and at the end of the day. So for reception, it's 8:35 a.m. for drop-off in the morning and 2:55 p.m. finish in the afternoon. Pupils have to come in their PE kits on PE days and outdoor learning days. So that will be for Rosen class Wednesday and Thursday, Infant class Wednesday and Thursday again. For Murphy class will be Monday and Thursday, and Donaldson will be Monday and Thursday again. At lunchtime, the reception children will be separated to ensure your year group bubbles are maintained and kept apart, and lunch will be eaten in the hall.
Okay, so here's just a few reminders about our general information. So we do offer snack for the children, that is provided in school, but please could your children bring in water bottles with their names on them labelled. And if your child would like milk, it is free up until the age of their 5th birthday, but please complete the form from the office if you would like your child to have milk. We ask that you provide your child with a sun hat and sun cream as the weather starts to heat up, but please could you apply the sun cream at home as we aren't able to do this in school. Hot meals will be provided, however you can provide a healthy packed lunch but no nuts due to allergies, so for example no Nutella in a sandwich. And for school uniform, please ensure long hair is tied up and there is no hair gel, and school jumpers need to be labelled with black shoes, and book bags are needed but not rucksacks.
So our topics, at the moment in Summer 1, we are learning about bugs and insects, and our question that we need to answer is, why do ladybirds have spots? So the children have been going on bug hunts, we've been looking at all different types of bees, snails, worms, and we're also going to be investigating lots of different things too. Summer 2 is Journey to the Sea, so we're going to be looking at lots of things that live under the sea and what might be on top, for seagulls for example. We are also going to be looking at travelling, so pirate ships or a mermaid swimming tail, and maybe you might even have a submarine under the sea.
Okay, so in relation to our Summer 1 topic, which is why do ladybirds have spots, these are our focus texts for each week. So we've got the very hungry caterpillar, we've got the very greedy bee, the bad-tempered ladybird, snail trail, spinderella and superworm.
Okay, so for phonics this term, we are going to be focusing again on the phases and the sounds and things in phases 3 and 4. We're going to be starting to look at the tricky words of phase 4 and also recapping the tricky words of phase 2 and 3. We're also going to be looking at phase 4 words, so these are longer words and words that have more than one syllable, so things like laptop, picnic, and we're going to have fun just learning how to read and really focusing on writing in phonics and applying our phonics knowledge to our writing. So for example, we're still going to use Fred Ted, but now we're going to be thinking of words like oat, coat and I, and making sure we can write a sentence with these in.
In maths, we have been learning up to the numbers up to 0 to 15, and we are now finally going to get to 20, which the children are very excited about. So we are also going to be focusing on sharing, doubling and halving, so what numbers look like in that form, and we're also going to be looking at 2D and 3D shapes, and we're also going to have a very exciting dress-up shape day, and more information on that is to follow.
Children will be given a reading diary, and we urge you to read with your child every night. It doesn't matter if they read the same book 5 nights in a row, and it helps them learn their sounds and remember their sounds to read. These are to be used both in school and at home and brought back on Friday.
So, in regards to communication, the class teacher is always your first point of contact. So if you want to book in a meeting, then please just email the office or just speak to us in the morning and we'll be able to give you a call after school. We are a paperless school, so remember, make sure that you're getting all of the newsletters and the letters. if you're not receiving them, please let your teacher know, and then we'll be able to check that your email is right on the system. Also, please follow us on Twitter, and remember to share kind of what we've done. It's amazing to see what we've been doing across both campuses, and it's so lovely to kind of see what reception is doing in general. And please to avoid crowds at home times. We will be making kind of any important calls after school. So if you do have to speak to a teacher, just let us know and say, is it okay if you give me a call later, just to make sure that everybody follows the one-way system. That'd be brilliant. Thank you very much. And any other questions, please ask your class teacher. Thank you very much. Bye.